When it comes to compact gimbal cameras, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. However, fear not. Today on Techno Trend Zone, we are diving into what could potentially be the next big thing in the world of portable video. The rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Based on trusted sources, we have some exciting details that might just blow your mind. Stick around as we explore this incredible device and compare it with its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The sensor upgrade. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, the sensor. Rumors suggest the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade over the 1/1.7-inch sensor in the Pocket 3. What this means in practical terms. Imagine you're capturing the vibrant energy of a bustling city street at night. Neon signs illuminate the scene, but smaller sensors often struggle with low light details. With the Pocket 4's larger sensor, those glowing signs, shadowy corners, and intricate textures are brought to life with clarity and vibrancy. No more grainy or dull low-light shots. This upgrade ensures depth and detail comparable to much larger professional setups. The Pocket 3 was good, but let's be honest, its low-light performance didn't always hit the mark. The jump from the 1/1.7-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor is like upgrading from a compact car to a luxury sedan. Smoother, more refined, and far more capable. Video resolution. Next level quality. If the rumors are accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 will support an incredible range of recording options, including 5.7K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion. Imagine the possibilities. Picture yourself filming an adventure in the mountains. You capture your hike in stunning 5.7K resolution, highlighting every rocky detail. Upon reaching the summit, you switch to 120 frames per second slow motion to film a soaring eagle in breathtaking detail. Compared to the Pocket 3's max resolution of 4K at 60 frames per second, this is a game changer. It's like transitioning from standard definition to ultra-high definition, offering crisp, immersive video for creators who demand the best. Enhanced stabilization. DJI's Osmo Pocket series is known for its excellent stabilization, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to take it a step further with an advanced 3-axis gimbal with improved horizon leveling. Real-life scenarios. Imagine filming your kids playing tag or capturing your bike ride through winding trails. No matter how much you move, the footage remains silky smooth and cinematic. While the Pocket 3 impressed with its stabilization, the Pocket 4's enhancements ensure professional-grade footage, even in the most unpredictable scenarios. Dual lens system. One of the most exciting rumors is the addition of a dual lens system, featuring 20mm wide lens and 50mm telephoto lens. Why this matters? With the Pocket 4, you're no longer limited to one perspective. At a wedding, for instance, use the wide lens to capture the entire ceremony and seamlessly switch to the telephoto lens to focus on the couple's emotions. The Pocket 3's single 20mm lens was great for wide shots but lacked flexibility. The rumored Pocket 4's dual lens system enhances creative control, making it a powerhouse for capturing both expansive and intimate shots. Battery life. Shoot longer. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature up to 180 minutes of continuous recording at 4K resolution, an improvement over the Pocket 3's 140 minutes at 1080p. Practical applications. Imagine spending an entire day at a national park. With the Pocket 4, you can capture every breathtaking landscape, wildlife encounter, and candid moment without constantly worrying about recharging. Connectivity. Seamless sharing. Connectivity can make or break a modern camera, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to come equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C for ultra-fast data transfers and live streaming capabilities. Live streaming with ease. Imagine attending a concert and wanting to share the experience in real time. The Pocket 4's advanced connectivity ensures your live stream is smooth and high quality, without lag or interruptions. Compared to the Pocket 3, which offers basic connectivity options, the Pocket 4 is a step up for content creators who demand speed and reliability. Audio improvements. Good audio is just as important as video, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 3-microphone array with enhanced wind noise reduction. Use cases. Whether you're vlogging on a breezy beach or recording commentary on a windy mountaintop, the Pocket 4 ensures your voice is captured clearly and naturally. The Pocket 3's audio was decent, but these rumored improvements mean you won't have to worry about muffled or distorted sound again. AI tracking and voice control. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature advanced AI tracking for intelligent face and subject tracking, voice control for hands-free operation, everyday convenience. Imagine cooking in the kitchen with both hands busy. The Pocket 4's AI tracking ensures you remain in the frame, while voice commands allow you to operate it effortlessly. Water resistance. Built for adventure. Rumors suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 could be water resistant up to 10 meters without a case. Whether you're snorkeling or filming in the rain, this feature makes it an ideal companion for adventurers and travel vloggers. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? Based on everything we've heard, the answer is a resounding yes. From its upgraded sensor and video capabilities to enhanced stabilization, dual lens flexibility, and cutting-edge features, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a must-have for content creators. Now it's your turn. What feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this.